Hey guys, today we're going to be showing you how to do a Windows 10 VirtualBox virtual machine. So the first thing you're going to want to do is open up your browser and type in VirtualBox. So we're going to do that. It's going to be right there, and you should navigate to this website, Oracle VirtualBox, and for this you're going to do the Windows one because this is for Windows. After you've downloaded that, you should have this on your desktop, and keep in mind that we're going to be using that later, but next we're going to be getting the actual Windows operating system. So the next thing that you want to get is you want to type in Windows 10 download. You're going to get a few links, but you want to click on this one. It says Windows 10 ISO. So click on that, and it's going to say download tool now. I've already done that, but you can do that now. Once you do that, you're going to get this. It's going to say Media Creation Tool. Click on that, and it's going to open up. Click Yes. And we're going to wait for that to open up. So I'll be back when that's done. Hey guys, one important thing that I forgot to mention is that if this doesn't work, make sure that Intel virtualization technology is enabled on your BIOS. I've ran into that problem a few times, and I went into my BIOS, went to the CPU configuration, and then I made sure that Intel virtualization technology was turned on. If yours isn't, make sure it is if your virtual machine isn't working. Okay guys, we're back, and it's asking you to accept the terms and conditions, so we're going to do that. And it's going to load for a while. I'll be back when that's done. And after that, we have a menu that says upgrade this PC now or create an installation for another PC. You want to click that, create an installation for another PC, and then you can leave it as the default settings there, and you want to create an ISO file. Okay, I'm just going to save this to my desktop, and it's going to download. I've already downloaded that, so you guys can let that download, but I'm just going to X that out. And the next thing you want to do, I'm just going to drag that there. Alright, so I will be back when all this is done. Okay guys, I'm back, and the next thing you want to do is open up VirtualBox. So you'll get this. I have already created a Windows 10 for myself, but for the purpose of this video I will make another one. So the first thing you want to make sure that is selected is Windows 10 32 or 64-bit, whichever one you're on. I'm going to do 64-bit, and then I'm going to name it Windows 10 VB for VirtualBox. But you can name it whatever you want. Click Next. If I were you, give it 4 gigabytes of RAM, so that's around in the early 4000s. But you can give it whatever you want. And we're just gonna create next, and I'm gonna give it 32 gigs. But you guys can give it whatever you want. If you want to give it more, want to give it less, that's up to you. Create. After that, it's going to be ready. So you click on it. This is it. And then you click Settings. The most important thing with this is that you click Storage, and then here where it says Empty right there, you click that, and then there's going to be like a DVD looking thing. You click that, and then you're going to click Choose Your Optical Disk File, and it's going to pull up the ISO that you just downloaded, and you're going to click Open. So now the operating system is connected with the VirtualBox, and you're going to start it up. So just click it and click Start. And it's going to boot up like any regular Windows 10 computer would, and it's going to have the screen, and I will be back with you guys when it is all done. Okay guys, I'm back. It's all booted up, and it's going to bring you to this screen. You're just going to, for me, I'm just going to leave it as it is. Click Next, English, and we're going to install now. So I will be back when this is done. Okay guys, it is all booted up again, and you're going to want to click I do not have a key because we're getting this for free. So we're going to click I do not have a key, and I'm going to pick Windows 10 Pro. Next, and wait for that to get set up, and then click I accept. And for this, you're going to want instead of where it says the upgrade, install Windows, keep files, you're going to do custom install, and then click your hard drive that you set up, and click next. And then it's going to install, and I will be back when that is done. Okay guys, so I decided not to let that install complete due to the fact that I already had it installed, but after that is done, it's a self-explanatory regular install of Windows 10. Just set it up like you would any other computer and you should be good. So I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. We found it helpful in installing your virtual machine Windows 10, and see you YouTube.